Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cake and pastry flour using regular all-purpose flour and some cornstarch. So I have my 1 cup of all-purpose flour in my bowl. I simply grab a 1 tablespoon measure and I'm going to remove 2 tablespoons. So there's 1 and there's 2. Take that away. And now we're going to grab our cornstarch and we're simply going to add in 1, 2. And that is it. I'll grab a whisk and I'll just whisk this so that's really well combined. And that is all you need to do to create your own cake and pastry flour at home. So by removing a little bit of our flour and adding in cornstarch, we have dropped the overall protein content of our flour. All-purpose flour is about 10 to 12% protein. However, by adding in the cornstarch and removing a little bit of the flour, we have dropped this down to around 8%. Cake and pastry flour are around 7 to 9%. It depends on the brand that you buy. But what we have done is we've dropped the protein, and what happens is this is going to give us a more tender, less chewy type of batter when it is baked. So there's really no magic to it. All we've done is we've just done a little bit of mixing around with some ingredients, and we have created this at home. So the next time that you see a recipe that calls for cake and pastry flour, now you know how to make this at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.